Today's topic is ninth class first chapter real numbers. So real numbers means combination of rational and irrational numbers. First we will discuss about rational numbers, then we move on to irrational numbers. So what are rational numbers? So I explained about rational numbers in 8th class mathematics. You just refer 8th maths videos. In 8th class you have learned what are rational numbers and showing rational numbers on number line and finding rational numbers between given two rational numbers and changing rational number to decimal form and decimal form to rational numbers, and we have simplified some rational numbers also. So we already did all these in 8th class only. So we move on to 9th class irrational numbers. First, what are irrational numbers? When you change this rational number 7 by 5 into 1 by 4, value is 1.4 and 3 by 4 equal to 0.75, 23 by 10 equal to 2.3. These are terminating decimals. Consider these: 5 by 3 equal to 1.6 bar, 17 by 6 equal to 2.83 bar, 22 by 7 equal to 3.14285. So these are non-terminating recurring decimals. So all these numbers are either terminating or non-terminating recurring numbers. So that's why these are rational numbers. Suppose consider root 2. What is the value of square root 2? So value of square root equal to 1.414 and so on. This is not either terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. Consider square root 3. Value of square root 3 equal to 1.7320 and so on. This is also, it is not a terminating or it is not a non-terminating repeating decimal. So these type of decimals are called, these type of numbers are called irrational number. Root 2, root 3, root 5. These are called irrational numbers because the decimal form of these numbers either terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. That's why these type of numbers are called irrational numbers. So these type of numbers are called irrational numbers and they can't be represented in P by Q form. Square root of 2 is not equal to in the P by Q form. Observe. Square root of 1 equal to 1. Square root of 2 equal to 1.414 and so on. There is no end. And what is the value of square root 3? 1.732 and so on. And there is no end. Square root of 4 equal to 2. Root 5, root 6, root 7, like that I wrote up to square root of 10. And square root of 9 equal to 3. So observe these values here. Square root of 1 equal to 1. Square root of 4 equal to 2. Square root of 9 equal to 3. These are terminating decimals. So that's why square root of 1, square root of 4, square root of 9 are rational numbers. Consider square root 2, square root 3, square root 5, square root 6, square root of 7, square root of 8 and square root of 10. These are not terminating and not terminating repeating decimals. That's why these are called irrational numbers. If n is a natural number other than a perfect square, then square root of n is a irrational number. If any number it has a perfect square, like square root of 4 equal to 2, square root of 9 equal to 3. So if any number have a perfect square, they are called rational numbers. If any number not have a perfect square, then square root of that number will be irrational number. See here, square root of 2. Square root of 2 doesn't have any perfect square. square root 3, it also doesn't have any perfect square. So that's why square root of 2, square root 3, square root 5, square root 6, all these are irrational numbers.